You may have already heard the name Dmitry Mendeleev, the Russian chemist who is often given the credit for creating the modern periodic table. He did not play a critical role in the formation of the periodic table. His original elemental table was very similar to the one that you use today. However, he did not come to this conclusion by himself. A long history of discoveries led to Mendeleev's creation, and there were even more discoveries after his death that led to the final version of this important resource. Let us recount this journey. Almost 3,000 years ago, there was people who studied nature known as natural philo- philosophers who attempted to understand how natural systems work. Aristotle was one of the natural philosophers. In 300 BCE, 330 BCE, he deduced that all matter was made of four elements: earth, air, fire, and water. N- this is not quite as elementary as it may seem, as the elements that he deduced do, do in fact pertain to both the states of matter that we know today and the energy required to create chemical reactions. It wasn't until the 1700s that modern advancements in science began. Antonin, what does that say?
Where? Okay. Who knows French here? Say the name. Do you know? Antoine. And in Spain we have French up, so many people knows French or how to spell it. So it would be something like Antoine, or the must be like that. Antoine. That's Antoine. Lavoisier, and the R at the end is like a Antoine Lavoisier, something like that. Okay. So,
Antoine Antoine Lavoisier is often referred to as the father of modern chemistry. Lavoisier used these types of scientific philosophers along with the scientific method to produce some groundbreaking discoveries. In the late 1700s, Lavoisier was able to make the distinction between metals and nonmetals. This would be an important distinction on the periodic table of the future. He also was able to identify and name over 30 elements. In 1789, he published the first modern chemistry textbook. This book included the first accurate definition of the law of conservation of mass, a critical concept that aids in the process of chemical analysis.
thank you very much. Please clap your hands. Okay. When somebody is entitled that he has discovered something, who went to the moon? Who was the first to go to the moon? Who? Neil Armstrong was the first to go to the moon. He's the man who went to the moon, but he didn't do it alone. Okay? There were thousands of people in NASA working for him. Okay? So Antoine Lavoisier and this Mendeleev came to a form to order elements, but he was not the one working on that. And he has a happy idea, and he's entitled to he discovered everything, or he went to the moon. Many people contributed to that task. Okay, in science and in life, everything is like that. If I'm a good teacher, it's because I had many good teachers. I had a mother, I had a father, I have everything working for me. I'm not alone. I'm not successful alone. Okay, not even Michael Jordan could win titles without a team. Okay, what?